Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this morning's video is from a viewer or a subscriber that gave me another tip. Matter of fact, I just made a video about one of his tips, and now I'm making a second one. In previous video on this, to find the node, I went and added nodes or put it in the center of the page, and he is very right. So if you have this and you want to make this type shape, first of all, you need to convert it to curves. So go to Arrange and Curves, and then you get your Shape tool and just slowly move it toward the center of the page, and it's going to tell you the midpoint. And there it is right there. So you didn't have to add a node, and then you're going to put it on top of that other node because it's no longer the midpoint. And there's that shape. A lot simpler, a lot quicker, and project solved. And I thank him for sending me that tip. Keep them coming, and hope that helped you a little bit. Thank you for watching.